Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to share 4 delicious oats recipes for effective weight loss. In the journey towards weight loss, finding nutritious and satisfying meals is crucial. Oats, a fiber-rich and versatile grain, can be a fantastic addition to your weight loss diet plan. Packed with essential nutrients and providing a long-lasting feeling of fullness, oats can aid in managing weight effectively. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. This video presents 4 delectable oats recipes that not only promote weight loss but also cater to your taste buds. Let's dive into these recipes and discover a healthier and fitter you. 1. Overnight oats with berries and almonds. Starting our list with a classic, overnight oats are a convenient and nutritious breakfast option. This recipe combines the goodness of oats with the natural sweetness of berries and the crunch of almonds. To prepare this delightful meal, simply combine rolled oats, your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a handful of fresh berries. Mix well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top it off with a sprinkle of sliced almonds for a satisfying crunch. The high fiber content in oats will keep you full throughout the morning, while the antioxidants from berries and healthy fats from almonds add an extra nutritional punch. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, handful of fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Sliced almonds for topping. Instructions: in a jar or bowl, combine rolled oats, milk, honey or maple syrup, and stir well. Add the fresh berries and gently mix them into the oats mixture. Cover the jar or bowl and refrigerate it overnight. In the morning, give it a good stir, and if desired, add a splash of milk for desired consistency. Top it off with a sprinkle of sliced almonds. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious overnight oats with berries and almonds. 2. Savory vegetable oats. Oats need not be limited to sweet preparations. They can be transformed into a savory delight too. This recipe incorporates the goodness of vegetables and aromatic spices, making it a wholesome and flavorsome option for weight loss. In a pan, sauté your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, carrots, and spinach with a teaspoon of olive oil. Once they are cooked to your liking, add cooked oats and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir well and cook for a few more minutes. For an extra kick, you can also sprinkle some herbs like oregano or thyme. This savory vegetable oats recipe is not only low in calories but also provides a good dose of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 teaspoon olive oil, assorted vegetables, bell peppers, mushrooms, carrots, spinach, chopped, pinch of salt and pepper, herbs of your choice, oregano, thyme, for seasoning. Instructions: in a pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped vegetables and sauté them until tender. In a separate pot, cook rolled oats according to package instructions. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the cooked oats to the pan and stir well. Season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and your choice of herbs. Continue cooking for a few more minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Serve hot and enjoy the savory vegetable oats. 3. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. If you crave a warm and comforting breakfast that aids weight loss, look no further than apple cinnamon oatmeal. This recipe combines the natural sweetness of apples with the warm flavors of cinnamon, creating a satisfying and nutritious meal. Start by cooking rolled oats with water or milk until they reach your desired consistency. Then, add thinly sliced apples and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Allow the oats to cook until the apples are tender. This wholesome combination provides fiber, antioxidants, and metabolism-boosting properties. The natural sweetness of apples eliminates the need for additional sweeteners, making it a guilt-free option for Weight Watchers. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or milk, 1 apple, thinly sliced, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions: in a saucepan, bring water or milk to a boil. Add rolled oats to the boiling liquid and cook according to package instructions, stirring occasionally. Once the oats reach the desired consistency, add the thinly sliced apple and cinnamon. Continue cooking for a few more minutes until the apple slices are tender. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Serve warm and savor the delicious apple cinnamon oatmeal. 4. Oat and yogurt parfait. For a delightful and filling snack or dessert that aids weight loss, the oat and yogurt parfait is an excellent choice. This recipe layers oats, yogurt, and fruits to create a visually appealing and nutritious treat. In a glass or bowl, alternate layers of Greek yogurt, cooked oats, and your choice of fruits like berries, sliced bananas, or diced mangoes. Repeat the layers and top it off with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of granola for added crunch. This parfait is not only rich in protein and fiber but also provides probiotics from yogurt, which can aid in digestion and weight management. Ingredients: 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, assorted fruits, berries, bananas, mangoes, sliced, honey or granola for topping. Instructions: in a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt at the bottom. Add a layer of cooked oats on top of the yogurt. Place a layer of sliced fruits over the oats. Repeat the layers until the glass or bowl is filled. Finish with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of granola for added crunch. Serve chilled and enjoy the delectable oat and yogurt parfait. Conclusion: incorporating oats into your weight loss diet can be a game changer. The 5 recipes mentioned above offer a variety of options to enjoy oats in delicious and satisfying ways. Whether you prefer a sweet or savory meal, oats can be versatile and adaptable to your taste preferences. These recipes provide a combination of fiber, essential nutrients, and low-calorie ingredients, promoting satiety and aiding in weight loss. By incorporating these oat-based recipes into your meal plan, you can embark on a healthier and fitter lifestyle while savoring delightful flavors. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.